mar chako ayanga tiegruok mag joriemb apiko mathurka. Kambino kanyakla koda kambi mar Border Plus koda duol ma ochung'ne rito ngima oganda e piny mathurka NTSA chano mar tiego joriemb apiko e nengo mayot. Ma en okang' mokwongo en ni joriemb apiko maromo milion 1 oyudo tiegruok kendo tieko maseche mag apaya. Jata tije duol mar NTSA George Njao opwoyo okang' ma kamano kowacho ni nengo mayot mar tiegruok biro miyo joriemb apiko mang'eny tiegore kendo kambi no chano mar konyo.
We're here today with our key partner, AA Kenya, who have been instrumental in helping support and bringing sanity on training of not only just drivers but riders as well. So as we're here today, as you remember, on the 17th of April, His Excellency launched the National Road Safety Action Plan, and under one of the key priority areas, priority area number 6, we are supposed to help support the training and licensing of the two-wheelers and the three-wheelers, which are normally referred to as the border.
We are going to train all the bodabodas in Kenya, the ones who are not licensed. We are targeting 1 million bodaboda who are using our roads and who are not licensed. What we've done is to partner with various people, including NTSA. We are going to offer the training at a subsidized price. From 8,000, we are going to charge them 3,000. Then they pay the NTSA money. And then what else we have done is to ensure that it's affordable. You can actually